All right, so today we're gonna be taking this old, nasty pile of 2x4s and we are going to be making a super simple, super cheap, because look at all this, everybody's got a pile like this laying around. Super cheap lumber rack that is going to really help things out in the shop, where when I got lumber coming in, I got a place to put it so it's not just sitting on my table like it is right now. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a bunch of these boards and we are going to cut them down to 12 inches, and yeah, let's do it. Let's get after it. Here we go. All right, so I got my 6 boards that are all 12 inches long. I'm gonna have one of those on the wall each time. Then I'm gonna have one of those sticking out above for my lumber to set on. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to make a little brace to go in between here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a 45-degree angle on the end of each of my shorter boards. We are going to cut these to about 10 inches each when we're all done. And I just need 3 of them because I'm making 3 different things right here. So let's get after it. Here we go.
It's stop recording.
You're recording?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to go ahead and attach our 1 foot long 2x4s to the walls. I'm going to put them directly into these studs. I've gone ahead and pre-drilled some holes in them, and I'm using some 3-inch decking screws to put those in. So let's do this. So I've already got them marked on the wall right where I want them. Just right about in here. I'm going to go straight into the studs right here. And I need a new battery, so let me change that out. Look, I got mine on the charger stand right here. Here we go. Alright, and that's it. Nice and strong. Alright, so got all 3 of those 2x4s on the wall now. I did end up putting 3 of those 3-inch screws in there just for a little extra support, because we're probably going to have some pretty good weight on this. Okay? Now, I'm going to put a 2x4 here at the top. I've gone ahead and pre-drilled 2 holes for 2 more screws. And we're just going to get that thing put on there. And then we're almost done. So let's get after it. Alright, so we've got our completed project right now. These are pretty strong. I actually hung from them myself, so got over 200 pounds hanging from them. That was no big deal. And they're all finished up. So just kind of a quick, easy, cheap way to make a quick little lumber rack right here. So yeah, thank you guys for joining us. I'd appreciate it if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.